What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on my Coleman minibike CT100U. So it's Coleman minibike. This is the smallest size, I'm pretty sure. And all that's went out is the chain and nothing else really. And so, my leg's something big. And I like to pretend it's a clutch. I like to go. It makes me look cool. Because, yeah. And then, so all that's been wrong is the chain, and the chain's broke a few times. But you can get new chains. Then the brake has went out completely. Like, it just rattled there for a second, and then I was just like, I can't slow down. So, it was right. Yeah. So my brakes went out, and you had to get new brakes for that. And so that's it. That's been wrong with it. And it's carbureted, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think it's carbureted. Yeah, this is the carburetor, I'm pretty sure. And then I took the exhaust off, kind of, so it's louder. And then I'm gonna flip it around. It's too much work with the camera. Then we just got the engine over here. It's 100cc, and it's got 3 horsepower. Here, I'll scoot it a little closer. Horsepower, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. 3 horsepower, and it's a really good bike. So it's exactly 3 horsepower. And it's a full start. The choke's right here. And the throttle's back here. See if I can get that in there. And maybe. Yeah, that's the throttle, the gold thing. With the green dot. And it's got a choke right here. Yeah, right here. There's the choke. Right here. That's choke on, and this is off. And then, so overall, it's a really good bike. So, sorry, there's a bug on here. There, I jumped over it. So all you do, there's an on switch up here. Just flip that, and then pull it. I choke it every time I start it. I flooded it, maybe. See ya.